Okay, we're taking a back road here, heading through the condominium area. This is a very expensive area of Jomtien. You can see on the left there's a huge condo called Riviera Monaco, and it's beautiful, but a little bit beyond my reach. For the rich and famous, you know. The condos on the right there, they're all privately owned, but people do rent them out, you know, to get a second income, and they're very nice too. It's a nice area, this, actually. You got a few cafes and restaurants around, so you know there's enough to do, and you're only actually about 5 minutes from the beach if you wish to go down there and do a bit of sunbathing, fishing, swimming, whatever. Okay, so we hang a left here. It takes us straight down to Jomtien Beach Road. Got to watch out for these road bumps here. The sleeping policemen, they're quite high, so it's very easy to hit the sump, you know. Slowly catch a monkey. And here we are, a couple of minutes away now. We've got a couple of nice restaurants here. One on the right, which is part of an apartment block, and one on the left here, which is an independent restaurant. They do some awesome seafood dishes in there. Everything's caught fresh on the day. Big wide beach on the left there. We got restaurants. This restaurant on the right is called Poo Pen, and they sell crab dishes. Sorry, Poo is crab and Pen is to be, so the restaurant name basically is to be a crab, and they sell fantastic seafood dishes in there, mainly crab, as I said before, but they do other things as well. Very popular with the local people. A few Sunday drivers in front here, look. On the left there we've got the Na Jomtien beach sign. Na means north, so we're in North Jomtien. And again on the right hand side there we've got some lovely restaurants. These are always very busy. Quite a few mobile cafe shops now. Coffee's become very popular in Thailand over the last few years, and these mobile coffee businesses are doing very well. Good, he's took a right, that's good news. Another mobile shop there for coffee, one on the right. Yeah, so you're never short of food and drink in Thailand, you know. Got a few scooters parked up there, the guys down at the beach. Another coffee shop on the right there. Yeah, so many of these things now. Now this is Jomtien Pattaya Beach. So we've come from the north end, so we're heading south down towards Jomtien and Dong Tan Beach, and further on to Pattaya. So yeah, it's a lovely area, this, you know. I've lived in this area now for 18 years and I really enjoy it. We're only about 15 minutes maximum from the beach itself, but we're far enough away to avoid the hustle, you know. And it's very quiet where we live, but you know, if you fancy coming down, it's only 15 minutes away, not far at all. See, there's not much activity on the beach today, but it is early and it's also low season, so maybe it's going to be like that all day. Don't know, maybe it'll pick up later on. It's hard to say really. So our first stop's going to be at the end of this road. We'll just stop and maybe take a few photographs of Jomtien Beach, which is a nice beach. It's been done up over the last few years as well. It used to be a not so nice beach. All these trees on the left here, palm trees, are all new. All the paving's all new. The road's been resurfaced. The lines have all been redone. So yeah, they put a lot of money in here. On the left you see the seafood market on the beach. That opens at 5 o'clock, where they bring in the catch of the day and it's all for sale. That'll run through pretty much all day. So, you know, it's best to get there early and get the stuff fresh, to be honest. You know, the wife does that quite often. 7-Eleven on the right. Okay, it should get a bit busier down here now. Yeah, we've got a few jet skis parked up on the left hand side. They're all getting prepared for the day. Some of these jet skis you can hire. Other ones you can be taken out with the jet ski rider. It can take you out around the bay or to the local islands. So there's quite a lot of options regarding jet skis. And also, of course, there are boats that do the same thing. It's always plenty to do. You see, none of the vending stores are open on the beach today because it's clean up day. All the vendors have got a responsibility to keep their beach clean, and that's what they do on Wednesday, which is today. So yeah, that's a good thing, you know, take a bit of pride in what you do, make sure it's nice for the tourists. See, it's busying up a little bit now. Another motorcycle and sidecar. No helmet. It's actually illegal not to have a helmet when you're riding any kind of motor vehicle. You know, bikes, scooters, sidecars, whatever. You need to wear an helmet, and the fine is 1,000 baht if you get stopped by the police, and 1,000 baht is around 25 English pounds, 30 plus US dollars. So it's quite an expensive hobby. Always best to put a helmet on, not only for the money, but you've got to stay safe, you know. You never know what you're going to come across on these roads. And I was driving a country road the other day and a cow walked out on me. And this cow was a huge thing, you know. If I would have hit that, I would have been in big trouble. Probably the cow would have just walked away. Anyways, here we go. So this is pretty much central Jomtien. You see, we've got the big towers there. They've been there some years. And if we're going to keep left here, try and get past the cars. Again, more quiet beach. The restaurants seem quite busy on the right though. I think people have just gone out and they're getting their breakfast. You can get a decent breakfast here for around 150 baht, something like that, which is about 4 English pounds. So, you know, there's plenty of choice. You can either get Western food, English breakfast, American breakfast, or you can get the local stuff. Most Thai people, they start off with a dish called yok, which is basically Thai porridge. It's made from water and rice, and they add a few bits and pieces in there, and it's quite tasty actually, but I'm not a great fan of rice for breakfast. You know, it's got to be substantial. I get some protein down here. Yeah, bacon and egg for me, mate. Okay, they're doing a bit of refurbishment work on the left, so they've boarded it all up so we can't see the horror. They've been working on this beach now for a good few years, and they have made vast improvements, I think, during that time, but it's cost a hell of a lot of money too. And we're going to stop right in the centre where you see the lights there. We're going to stop around that area, just take a breather, take a few pictures. This is normally the busiest part of Jomtien. You get a lot more people on the beach down this. Jomtien, Pattaya Beach, here we are. So we're going to stop at the police station. I think we can park here. Okay guys, this is Jomtien beach. Just have a quick walk down there. The tide's out today for a change. You can see there's the dredgers. They're doing some more work on the beach. They dig up the sand basically at sea and then they bring it and dump it on the beach. That's what it's all about at the moment. So they've been at, I've been at this for a good few years now, but it has improved the beach dramatically. You can see unfortunately everything's closed today because it is cleaning day, so there's no food restaurants open on the beach, but there are some further back. Anyway, this is Jomtien Beach.